Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My channel, duh. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, we're going to be trying out the new, well, it's new to me, the Odelia magnetic liner and lash. Right, Chio? So we're going to be testing these out. If y'all been with me for a while, you know about like 2 years ago, I tried the Odelia magnetic lashes. That was terrible.
It's on my eyeball. It's on my eyeball.
I did not like those at all. But yeah, I thought the magnetic liner, I've seen stuff like advertisements on not this particular brand, but of magnetic liner and lashes. I've seen it on like Amazon. I've seen it on Instagram. And I was like, oh, that's kind of cool, blah, blah, blah. And then I was just like, why not give it a try to see if it's super easy like they make it seem. So I thought we could try it out together. So yeah, I'm gonna do it step by step so I can get the perfect results. And it comes with the little gel eyeliner, a little brush, and I got the wispies because Odelia's wispy lashes are really cute and I do like those. So let's see, quick tips. Apply on clean and dry eyelids, check. For best results, which I want, use primer prior to application. Okay, so I'm gonna use an eye primer. I'm gonna use the MAC Soft Ochre primer. So I'm gonna do that real fast. Gonna do that real fast. Let me plug this. I need to cancel out my color on my eyes. Okay, now that I have my eyes primed, let's go to the next step. If you need to reposition magnetic lashes once I get it, okay, no, anyways. So we're going to open it up. And I got this at Ulta and it was $13.99. So it comes with the gel, a little brush, and then the lashes. Ooh, I'm kind of scared. Just kidding. So it says apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Okay, so we're going to do the eyeliner. So I usually do like baby wings and like stop right here, but since the lash, it has magnetics all on the lash bands, so I'm gonna do it all the way. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's kind of weird. Okay, so is it black? It looks like really jelly. Okay. Let me grab my little mirror if I can find it. Okay. So it says to apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper. Just don't get this crap in your eye. It's probably about to look crusty because I haven't done liner in forever. I'm gonna do a thick band just cause I want to. Okay, there's 1 coat. Looks janky as hell. Oh well. I do like this eyeliner though. Just filling with the. Okay, there's doing the 2nd coat now. I'll do a little baby one. I don't like this brush though. Ooh, baby, that's not cute. Oh well. There we go. It's alright. I ain't going nowhere. So it says, and now let's get the little lash. Let me grab some tweezers too. To see. I didn't put no mascara on. I'm using my little Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. Just a little baby coat so they can blend in kind of. There we go. Just wiggle it so it doesn't wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now we're gonna get the lash and the tweezers. Let's see, and it says place magnetic lashes on gel liner while still semi-wet. Oh snap. Okay. That was actually faster than I thought it was going to be. Okay, that's actually really good. Okay. Oh! Oh, it's on there too. And there's no like gaps or whatever. Ooh, this is actually kind of cool. Y'all don't mind my like janky wing, but it is what it is. Let's do the other eye. Oh, I like this. And they said they were reusable too, so $13.99. I'd say that's a pretty good price. Cause that looks really good. Okay, I'm kind of excited. So I'm gonna put the gel liner on my other eye.
I noticed Walmart and Ulta, they do sell the pack of lashes for this, so you will not have to repurchase this kit.
I'm gonna do a thick line too. And it doesn't dry that fast, which I like. So, and it says to apply when it's like semi-wet. Ooh, this is kind of hard on this side. Just don't get it in your eye. This one is super big. I don't like this brush, that's the truth. Okay, there's that one. Don't judge my wings. They look crusty. They look really crusty, but I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna do my mascara again while they're like, so they can go on wet, semi-wet. Gonna grab my other lash. Tweezers. Here we go. Mirror. Here we go. Try that. Let me zoom in for this one. See, my eyelashes color janky, so we're gonna try to put this on. Oh my goodness, this is actually really cool. And it doesn't feel like I have anything on. That's crazy. Okay. I wonder if you can use a different brush because that eyeliner brush is But oh my god. This is way better than the first one. The first lashes I did like a couple years ago. And so that was super easy and it didn't even take me that long. I'm already like 10 minutes into the video and I've already got it done. Even though my wings are kind of jacked up and super not even, this is like super cool. And it's on there. Okay, I recommend this product a lot. That was super easy too. Okay, I might have to. These are look really cute. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Oh my goodness, this was like the quickest video I've ever done. So I want to do an ear test too because they're on. They're on there. But yeah, I have my blow dryer on. I'm gonna turn it on. Wait, I want to zoom in and see. Okay, here. We got the blow dryer on. I'm gonna turn it on to cool. No, cool. I'm gonna turn it on low because you want to split my makeup out. Okay, here we go. And they're still on. I mean, they go up. That's so cool. These eyelashes are really cool. Okay, Ardell, y'all made a come up. Ooh, sorry. Those last lashes, the magnetic ones, those were baby. I don't know what y'all were thinking, but these ones, y'all did the thing. Yes, these are really good. I like these. I'm gonna probably wear these a lot. Yes. So if you're having a hard time like wearing regular lashes with the glue and stuff, I'd highly recommend this. Ulta, $13.99. I'm pretty sure you can probably get it at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, all that jazz. But yes, I will cop you a pair. Baby, you be stunting with them eyelashes now, girl. Girl, they be like, hey, you know how to do eyelashes? It's magnetic, baby. Alrighty, guys, that's it on this video. Ooh, I highly recommend it. Word up, Ardell. You did it. You redeemed yourself, baby. Alrighty, guys, I'm done. I'll see you in the next video.